Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's lesson I would like to teach you how to play a Christmas song called Silent Night. This song was written by Joseph Marr in 1816. He was a young priest in Australia. So very easy lesson. If you look in my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar Tabs so you can download the chord sheet and lyrics to this hymn. So let's get started. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Okay, this is a very simple song using the chords of G major, D major, D7, and G7. Okay, these are the chords that you'll be using in this song. So if we do a quick review on how to play these chords, G major is played with your first finger on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, your second finger on the very top E string, the 6th string on fret number 3, and then your bottom string is played by your pinky finger placed on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings. That'll be G major. Okay, and then D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on string number 2 of the 3rd fret, and strum the bottom 4 strings. That'll be D major. Okay, to play D7, you place finger number 1 on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. That is D7. Okay, D7. Okay, and then the last chord is G7. Okay, if you notice we have these two fingers to make the G major chord. We're just simply moving our little finger down to the 1st fret. Okay, and to do that, you place finger number 1 on string number 1 of the 1st fret, and then finger number 2 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, then stretch your 3rd finger to the very top E string on the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings. That's G7, G major 7. Okay, so again, these chords are G major, D major, D7, and then G7. Okay, the strumming pattern for this song will be just simple down and up patterns, down and up. Okay, and this song is played in 3/4 time. So in other words, there's 3 beats per measure. A lot of songs, or most songs, are 4 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, there's 3 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2, 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay. Now for an intro on this song, I just simply play one measure of G, 1, 2, 3, and then one measure of D, 1, 2, 3, and then back to G, one measure, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then start singing. So one measure of G, one measure of D, and then 2 measures of G, and then start singing the verse, okay? So if we look at the chord progression on the verse, It's like this. We'll just play through it. Silent night, holy night, then D major. And then on the word calm, switch to D7, back to G. All is right. Okay, we'll stop there. So on all is, on the word calm, play D7, back to G, all, and then on the word bright, play G7. Bright, then round, round, young virgin, mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, they sleep in heavenly peace. Just hold on to G. Sleep deep, heavenly peace. Okay. Second verse is the same thing. Silent night, holy night. D, D7, G, G7, C, G, back to C major, G, D, D7, G, and hold on to the G, D major, back to G, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then it has a couple more verses that you can sing. So very, very easy song to sing, and you can play this at your next Christmas gathering and invite everyone else to sing. So very easy song. If you like this lesson and like to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the like button afterwards. And if you're not a current subscriber of my channel, please subscribe to my channel. There's no obligation, it's free. It just simply bookmarks my channel and your subscription so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. So thank you for joining me today. Have a Merry Christmas this year, and God bless you.